The patient-in-chief returning to his role as reality star, promoting his hospital exit as a made-for-TV event.
Thank you very much.
Walking out the doors of Walter Reed, boarding Marine One for a sunset flight back to the White House, where he marched up the steps and, while still infectious, removed his mask, posing on the balcony for nearly 2 minutes, at times appearing short of breath before walking inside. The backlash for that mask move, immediate.
It's unexplainable that the President of the United States, who's actively shedding virus in millions of particles, would walk into that building with the enormous number of staff unmasked.
24 hours earlier, the president insisting he'd learned a lot about COVID.
And I get it, and I understand it.
From the White House balcony, President Trump also insisting he's beaten the virus.
Don't let it dominate you. Don't be afraid of it. I stood out front. I led. Nobody that's a leader would not do what I did. And I know there's a risk, there's a danger, but that's okay. And now I'm better, and maybe I'm immune. I don't know.
The president contradicting his doctors, who said it would be another week before they could breathe a sigh of relief.
Though he may not entirely be out of the woods yet, the team and I agree that all our evaluations, and most importantly, his clinical status, support the president's safe return home.
Dr. Sean Conley praising the president's progress.
He's back, yeah.
Offering a dose of transparency, no more fever or cough. And while he readily discussed some of the president's personal information, he cited patient privacy when asked whether the president's x-rays showed any lung damage or pneumonia. Dr. Conley also would not say when the president last tested negative for the virus, key to determining who else may have been exposed.
I don't want to go backwards.
And even as the president publicly minimized the risk, a new NBC News Survey Monkey poll finds that nearly 2/3 of Americans say that they are worried that someone in their own family will be exposed to the virus. Of course, unlike most Americans, President Trump, his doctor says, will have access to world-class care 24/7, even here at the White House, and received an experimental therapy that almost no one else can get.